Hi friends, today we'll skip about how to fix or how to solve fault storage on CapCut. Do you know how to fix or how to solve fault storage on CapCut? You should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. As you see, you will enter to CapCut app. Then you will enter to first app and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on it again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video.